Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of work. Today I'm going to talk about which companies will be hiring more workers, what Mr. Raghuram Rajan said about the pandemic in India, and what is the status of women workers in UAE. So let's get into it. Economic Times reported that the edtech company The Great Learning, which is an online professional and higher education providing company, is looking forward to hire 1,000 employees this year. It wants to hire employees in the domain of academics, content creation, marketing, sales, counseling, and operations, and also looking forward to fill mid level and senior management level roles. During the pandemic, since there were no border issues, the company also hired employees from foreign countries, and it has tied up with startups who provide niche skilling to get employees with specialized skill sets. It the company says that it is currently working with many highly talented interns and is also looking forward to hire young mothers who want to return to work and who can flourish in the environment created by the company. The company has certain certified courses in the domains of management and technology which it wants to give out this year, and for that it needs personnel. Hence, the company is looking forward to hire this year. Economic Times reported that Mr. Raghuram Rajan, ex-governor of RBI, India, spoke at a virtual event organized by University of Chicago in New Delhi. He said that this pandemic is the biggest challenge that India is facing after independence. He said that the government needs to bring in reforms politely and openly. He also encouraged people within and outside the government to speak up to bring about a change. He said that the MSME companies need to be protected and a bankruptcy procedure be put in place immediately to help them. According to Mr. Rajan, due to the pandemic in 2020, India faced basically an economical problem. But in the year 2021, the pandemic brought in economic as well as personal problems. He said that we all are connected and nobody is isolated like an island. Al Jazeera reported that UAE is facing the problem of having women in top positions in corporates. Recently, UAE passed a law where at least one woman should be a representative in the board of directors of companies. Currently, the problem of hiring women in top positions is coming due to cultural reasons. Many women find it difficult to stay late at night and work, or to work in an environment where there are only men. Conservative families also do not allow their daughters to do this. It can be seen in UAE that although 70% of the graduates are women and two-thirds of the work positions in public sector are occupied by women, only 30% of the women in public sector are in leading positions. According to World Bank, the Middle Eastern North African regions have the lowest participation of women in the workforce. Out of the 23 positions fulfilled this year, only 4 were occupied by women. Many feel that this trend of women participation in top positions in UAE is now changing slowly, but they are currently facing a cultural barrier which with time is going to improve, and highly qualified women will be given a high position in companies. I hope you found today's news and information useful, and I will be coming back to you with more news from the world of work very soon. Thank you.